Hi friends, this is Vittal Madhar from Electrical Department. Now we are studying addressing modes of 8086 processor. So addressing modes are nothing but it is a manner in which the operands are given in an instruction. Then most of the processors have a various type of addressing modes used in their instruction set. The sum of the 8086 processor addressing modes are as follows. The first one is immediate addressing mode. In this mode, the operand is specified in an instruction itself. That means the operand is specified its operation instruction itself. Instructions are longer, but the operands are easily identified. For example, move CL, 12H. That data 12 immediately moves into the CL register. Then second example, move BX, 1234H, that is hexadecimal number that moves immediately to the BX register. Then the second one is register addressing mode. In this mode, the operands are specified using registers. Instructions are shorter, but the operands can't be identified by looking at the instruction. That means the the instructions are shorter, but operands can't be identified. Why? Because it is given in an instruction using a given to the one register to another register by register itself. For example, move CL, DL. The data of DL register moves into the CL register. Then for example, second one, move AX, BX. That data moves BX register into the AX register. Then the third one going to be register direct addressing mode. In this mode, address of an operand is directly specified in an instruction. For example, move CL, 2000H. That means the location of that data which is resided in the memory, that is denoted by in this direct location. So for example, CL register gets data from memory location from 2008. The data which is resided in the 2008 location that moves into the CL register. Then the second example going to be move 3000H, DL. Memory location of 3000H gets data from DL register. DL register which is having data that is moved into the 3000H, that is location, memory location. Then the fourth one going to be indirect addressing mode. In this indirect addressing modes, addresses are given by a register. The register can incremented in a loop to access a series of locations. And there are various subtypes of indirect addressing mode. In this, the various so many types are there. We'll study that one by one now. The first one going to be register indirect addressing mode. This is the most basic form of indirect addressing mode. Here address is simply given by a register. That means the address is simply given by a register. That is move CL, BX. That CL gets data from a memory location pointed by BX. Then that's what BX data which is there in that moves to the CL register. If BX equal to 2000H, CL equal that 2000H can be moved into the that CL register. Then second one going to be register relative addressing mode. In this addressing mode is given by a register plus a numeric displacement. Move CL, BX plus 03H. That means it is not only one register, that is one numerical value. No, it's a sum of that's memory location of numerical value plus its register. That's sum of that data which is resided that moves into a CL register. If BX equal to 2000H, then CL then that becomes totally 2000 plus 3 becomes 2003H that moves into the CL register. Then the third one going to be the base indexed addressing mode. Here address is given by a sum of two registers. This is typically useful in accessing an array or lookup table. That means this is very helpful in accessing the an array. Some situation what happens, we are not accessing only one element, we need to explain access whole array to the memory location, so that we, in that situation the base indexed addressing mode will be helpful. For example, move cl comma bx plus si means cl gets data from location from bx plus si. Cl, that's what, that the location sum of bx plus si that moves into cl register. For example, bx equal to 2000h, si equal to 1000h, then that becomes 2000 plus 3000, 1000 becomes 3000. That total, that is pointed by a data that is moves into the that bx register. Then the fourth one going to be the base relative plus index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, here address is given by a sum of base register plus index register plus numerical displacement. For example, move cl comma bx plus si plus 03. So far we have studied three types, that is base indexed and register relative indexed, that we have studied. So in this the sum of three, like register and this base indexed and always numerical, that's total sum that data located that is moved into the cl register. Then the fifth one going to be implied addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the operand is not specified at all, as it is an implied operand. Some of the instructions operate only on a particular register. Uh, in such cases, specifying the register becomes unnecessary and it becomes implied. So for example, stc, it's only the sets the carry flag. This instruction can only operates on the carry flag, not any instruction. So there are not only 8086 processors, there are many processors like 8051, 8084, there are many processors. But in this subject we are talking about 8086 processor. And always we are in CO subject, we are using these instruction set as well as these addressing modes only. These are the type of addressing modes which we are studied now. That's enough now.